Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, open the platform's copyright/content ID panel and pin the exact claim. Once you have the claimant name and timestamps, pull your master files and any stems that prove ownership or a license. Make sure to export metadata, SRC, composer credits, release date, and receipts showing purchase or license. If you worked with collaborators, get their written confirmation. These items form the evidence packet. Without them, disputes stall quickly, so assemble everything before you proceed. Now decide how you will respond and why. If you have a license or release, submit that as a licensed use dispute, upload the contract, and show matching metadata. If you own the master, provide raw stems or the original DAW session to prove creation. If you assert fair use, explain transformative elements and include timestamps for comparison. Use concise statements in the platform form, then attach your evidence. Once submitted, monitor the claim window. Some claimants have 30 days to respond or release it. Finish by tracking responses and acting quickly. If the claimant rejects your dispute, request a manual review through the platform and message the claimant for written confirmation. Make sure to keep logs of every contact. Only file a DMCA counternotice when you legally own the work. This has legal consequences. If resolution stalls, replace or edit the audio, or re-upload a cleared version and update metadata. Troubleshooting tip: if claims persist, obtain a signed release from the claimant or consult.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.